Hello friends, today we are sitting with iPhone X, and it's a really costly phone, more than 1 lakh rupees. So one of my friend is just disassembling the phone, and he is a known face to you because most of the time you can see these friends of mine most disassembling the hardware. So now you can see it's a water damaged phone. He's just taking out the battery connection, taking out one shield already. So you can see, okay, all our flexible connections needs to be unplug, because we need to separate the display's cost is so high, somewhere 15 to 20,000. So display should be kept in a proper way, or we must take care the phone and display very well. Okay, so after repairing the phone, we'll just catch you in another video. So bye for now. Thank you for watching the video.